Today I'm going to be removing the 3 satellite dishes and the antenna from my roof. If you're afraid of heights, I don't recommend you do this. For added safety, if you have a friend, have them come over. They can help stabilize the ladder when you go up and when you come down. And also, if you forget a tool while you're up there, they can just toss it up instead of you having to come all the way back down and back up. I'm going to be doing this by myself today. Now let's go grab some tools I think we're going to need. Let's set up the ladder and let's climb on up. These are the tools I think I'm going to need on top of the roof. Right over here I have a box cutter just so we can cut any sealant that might be around some bolts or the actual satellite dish itself. I have these pliers because there's some staples online holding the coax cable for the satellite dishes to my roof, so I'm going to use that to pull them out in case they're a little tricky. I have my wire cutters right here because I'm going to use that to cut the coax cable before tossing the satellite dishes off my house. Obviously an impact gun just for speed instead of using a hand socket set, and I have this cool little magnetic tray with my sockets because I don't know the sizes I'm going to have up there, so I'd rather just bring that up there to have variety. Most importantly, my leak stopper rubberized roof patch. I'll get a better image of this for you guys to see, and obviously a glove to apply it so I don't have that sticky tar on my fingers. Another little bonus is a wasp killer. You don't know if there's wasps up there. I unfortunately don't have any, so I'm going to use some glass cleaner. And also, depending on how long you're going to be up there and where you live, you might want some spray suntan lotion. Okay, I'm going to fill in these nail holes. I know it's tiny, but I'm up here, so I might as well fill those in once I pull them out. So, what I'm going to do first, though, is cut this just so I can get this base out of here and not snag it. Now let's grab my tools. All right, let's find the right size. There we go. Alright, this one actually I think has a wasp nest in it, so I think I'm going to try to get that part first so I can bounce if there's vibration. Oh, of course it has to be a different socket too. Okay, I'll just put that one in my pocket because we know that's for the other pieces. Okay, I found the right one. Wow, that's a big bolt. Jeez Louise. I'd rather go in the gutter and I can just collect them all later. Alright, let's swap. Let's put this one in my pocket and swap it for the other one. I'm curious to see what this satellite does when it comes down. Okay, I'm gonna need to get another wrench to hold that, and then I'll take off this other side. This is where the friend I was saying comes in handy. Maybe I'll call one of my friends and have them come over just to get that stuff. Wow, look at this puppy. This has a lot. Alright, these are different. Let's see if these are the same size as my other one. Yep. Okay. Very, very interesting. This is done like this. Oh, put this guy back in my pocket. Trying to do all this one-handed. Sorry. Trying to not fall off the roof. Record. And do this at the same time. Well, now we know why this one had that extra one, because it was broken. So I'm gonna slide these down. Take this last guy out. There we go. Now, this one isn't attached to the roof at all, so. Okay, I don't want to fall off the roof, so I'll crouch a little bit, but. Bye! Get this, there's a loose bolt, there it is. Okay. Let's get this puppy off. Actually, I guess I could do this one. Sorry, this one I'm not going to be able to record because I'm going to lay on my stomach right here and lean over and pop this guy off. Got lucky actually. It didn't take out my gutter. Okay. Let's do this one. Oh, snap. Okay, this is the last one. I'm just being cognizant of any... Excuse me, any wasps that might come out of there. Add those to the gutter. Yeah, this one's actually done well. As you can see, they actually put like the same stuff I'm gonna put in the roof. They did it on this one, even on the support post. Hence the reason it's not toppling over right now. I just don't want it to rip up the roof. Alright, I'm gonna try to get that last bolt out. It's being a pain in that butt. There we go. Alright. Adios. Okay. Oops. I want this going nowhere. Okay, let's start filling in these holes. I just, clean the dirt with my hand, get any loose pieces of shingle, and then I got this. I'm just shooting this in the hole like that. Each hole I want us completely fill. Don't want to mess around with this. I don't care if it looks like crap. I need to probably get a new roof soon anyways, but I just want these holes filled. And then I'm just going to use my finger. Smush in. This stuff kind of smells just like the same asphalt on the road actually. But this isn't a beauty contest. I just want to make sure I get every single little hole. Stop spewing. There we go. I'll carry some with my finger over to the next one. Same thing, clean with the foot. I'll just fill some holes. Okay, find the hole, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze in the holes. Nope, nope, go away. Not happy. I took their house. Alright, let's just fill in the rest of these by hand. Whoa, 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 whoa. Go away. Okay. Okay, last holes. Cleaned with my foot. Now shove in, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Over there. In that hole. And then the other support hole. Okay. Now again, just do my finger. trying to smush down in these holes. Before these wasps keep coming back. Okay, now I have more in this tube, so I don't know how deep these staples went, but I decided right where I pull out the staples, I'm going to put some of this on every single one, because this tube's probably going to be shot by the time it's over with. So I just have these 6. One, 2, 3. Clean. Grab some of this excess and just smush it in. Just might as well. Get off of my roof. Alright. Quick double check to make sure I got all supports and regular ones. This one didn't have a support. That one I couldn't record, but I got that one off. That was on the side. I don't need to plug those holes in. I'm gonna double check these real quick, make sure I got all my tools, and get off the roof. So I already got all my tools off the roof. I moved the ladder over off camera closer to where I threw all these bolts in the gutter, just so I can more safely grab these and put these in my pocket to get them out of here. I know some people are going to be a little grumpy and say, oh, you should have replaced the shingles instead of just doing the patch job. And they're not wrong, but I have yet to hear anyone say that a job relative to this has failed them and began leaking. So the sealant has a 10-year warranty, and it's definitely going to outlast this roof, because I'm gonna have this replaced well beyond that time period anyways. So let me get down, and I have got to say that looks so much better without all of this junk up there. So now I'm gonna get all of this and probably take it to scrap. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Have a good day.